Hey guys, I'll be testing these new phone cases on my phone to see what they look like. To see how well fit it is in my gosh. Tape smash. Let's start with this sushi food phone case, guys. It's good siya kaayo. Now it is up out of the box. Look at that. Pretty! Cute! Go here and said, uy, mo yan, ana.
Ano?
Look at the background, guys. More siya rock, guys. Okay, let's take my phone out of the old phone case. See, guys, what I mean? I have a blue color phone. Let's see if one mag-fit siya. Ah! Ganda, guys. Ay, sorry, guys. Wako na clean ako cellphone. Don't thought. Ganda, guys. It's nice. Feel it, ma. It's nice.
Ang nani sa ako.
Mommy wants to. Kaindot, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on. Kaindot, guys. Pansin siya, guys. Wait, thick siya. Okay, ma. I don't know how to pan this, ma. Thank you. Okay. Let's try the next one, guys. Oh, hello. Open na siya, guys. Hello. Look at that. Ang balls, guys. Hello. So cute. Okay, different siya, guys, sa other one. Di siya thick pa rin sa usa. Then siya. Okay.
Sim lang siya, na strong lang ang
Yes,
yung
strong.
pad kay na siya.
Nga, yeah. Indot masad ni siya, guys. Hala. You get it. It blends in with my blue color phone.
Yan.
Nasay ka na, ito na, ma? Mga puti-puti.
Crystal.
Crystal. And nasay, nasay keychain.
Yan naman. Yeah.
Inani mo yung ana. This is what I mean, guys.
You take a selfie.
So, yeah. Hala, easy sa siya. Yung take a selfie, di siya mahug. Ano eh? See? Hala! Sige mo, magkuhan na ka, guys. Mag-lay down ka sa bed. Sige mo, ana. Di mahug si mo. Now. Hala, ka-indot. I pick nice phone case sa 5 below, guys. Eh, ka-proud na ko eh. Ka-indot siya eh. Cause look at the ball, guys. Ay, di siya nakuha na yung focus. Na siya yung mga puti-puti, mga crystal sad. Yeah, guys. That's it, guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye.